How to turn on or turn off auto start when HDMI in is connected on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So after click on connected devices, so scroll down and click on Samsung DeX. So after click on Samsung DeX, so now here showing you auto start when HDMI is connected. So if you want to turn on, so turn on this button. You will see after turn on this button, auto start when HDMI is connected. So if you want to turn off auto start when HDMI is connected, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see auto start when HDMI is connected. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto start when HDMI is connected on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.